What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Wheel Swap Wednesday. Today we're going to be working on a couple of M2 trucks, and the first one is going to be this M2 lifted with the Hostess Cupcakes decos. I saw the chase to this one the other day, and man, I really wanted it. It was the bigger one, but it was kind of out of my price range, so I had to let it go. And the other one is going to be this guy. The rims that we're going to be doing on the lifted truck are going to be these guys. I think that's going to look really nice. And for the slam truck, we're going to go with these. Alright guys, here is the Hostess truck. I did switch it up on you guys. I did slam this one. I think it came out pretty nice. I feel like those gold rims really do match that brown. And we went ahead and lifted the pink truck with these awesome looking rims, again from AC Custom. And that's going to do it for today, guys. And as always, happy hunting.